In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Steam games as administrator. So first open up Steam just like this and then go on to your library. Here you'll see all your games and then just go to the game that you want to run as an administrator. So let's say Brawlhalla. Just click on the settings icon and then click on properties. And then over here click on installed files, then click on browse right here. This will take you to the actual location on your PC of the game. And here just find the exe or the program that actually runs the game. And here it is brawlhalla.exe. Just right click on that and then show more options if you're on Windows 11. Otherwise you'll just see properties just like this. Over here it's all the way down. And then in this screen just click compatibility and then select this run this program as an administrator. Then click apply and OK. And that's about it. Now you can close, and once you run this game, it's going to ask you for permissions first, and then you'll be able to play. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.